Hi guys, welcome back to another video. First one for a couple of days. Had quite a bit of rain over the last 3 days, so left off the filming for a bit. Did put a couple of videos up. There we go, there's the ambassador. Still covered in the green netting. Today we're off down to the Silver Dollar, have a look at that. There wasn't many in when we come past. I'm going to film it back and see how we go. One hotel we thought was going to open for Christmas, which didn't. Riviera, is it, Marcus?
Yeah.
Yeah, we thought that was going to open up for Christmas. Has a lot of hotels. They put all the decorations out and whatnot. Seemed like they were going to open, but they didn't. I'm sure that was the plan to reopen, though it was this new strain that shut them up again. A lot of hotels, I think they're just waiting for next year now. Well, for this year rather. And then maybe reopen. Sort of March, April time, I should imagine. Depending how the flights go and everything. As you see, there's lots of puddles about still. I think we've had the worst 3 days I've ever had in Benidorm. It's been raining so you can't get out. Down by the flash. There it is. The guys have just changed the resolution on the camera. I think it was a bit bright there. That's what happens when you take a photo. Flash, I don't think that's going to happen until middle next year, maybe. I haven't heard anything, but I should imagine it's going to be a while before they reopen. Obviously not been open since lockdown. good news is the weather is getting a bit better today. At least the sun's out. That reminds me, the last couple of days I've been back in England. A bit of snow up on the mountains. Been cold and wet. Alright, we're just coming up on the Silver Door now. All bars at the moment, not very busy, especially the 3 bad days. I think people are just going to start chancing coming out again today. But usually quite busy. Yeah, let's have a look. There's the entrance. Chicken place next door. Let's have a look back round. There you go. Usually all them chairs out there would be full. Right guys, we're going to carry on. Pizza delivery guys there. Pizza takeaway. Do it on push bikes and they come up high hill, which is quite steep. They don't seem to phase them at all. At the moment all the bars are shutting at 5 o'clock. We're allowed out till 10. Not being a kid again. You got to be in for 10 o'clock. I suppose at least we're getting out though. KFC over the road there. And the supermarket. Supermarket at the moment is empty. I think it's in the middle of changing hands or something at the moment. For lockdown, I think they give up with all the restrictions. Of course. Nero Hotel over there. Another one hasn't reopened since lockdown. I think they're looking forward to later this year now. Very nice hotel, I'm told. Never stopped there myself, but part of the service group.